What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a really cool feature on the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G that you guys need to know about. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We're going to get into the secret feature right here really quick. But the reason why I'm doing this video is because this is actually available for everyone that has Android 12 4.1. And as you guys know, the A53 5G was just released April 1st, and I'm super excited about this device. But there's a feature right here that we got in much more premium devices that I feel like a lot of people aren't taking control of right now that they should really be utilizing. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and activate that feature. So first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is scroll down until we get to right here. So battery and device care. So once we get down here in settings, we're going to want to go ahead and click on that. As you guys see, we have our battery, our storage, memory, device protection, all that other good stuff that you guys can go ahead and change out. So what we're going to want to go ahead and click on is memory. So go ahead and click on that once. And as you guys see, we can go ahead and clean this up. It says we have a reserve 759 megabytes, but we actually have RAM Plus. We have the RAM Plus option. So basically you can select how much internal storage to use as virtual memory to improve app performance. So if you guys want to improve application performance, the internal storage in your phone that's not being used is actually going to be turned into virtual RAM, which I thought was really, really cool. And on the A53 5G, as for this one, we can go up to 6 gigabytes. I believe if you guys have the 256 gigabyte of ROM variant, the bigger storage A53, I believe it can go up to 8 gigabytes of RAM. Not 100% sure, but we're going to go ahead and test this out. All you have to do is go ahead and click on 6 gigabytes of RAM, and it says restart phone. To change the amount of internal storage used as virtual memory, your phone needs to restart. So that is all you have to do, and you're now going to be utilizing the rest of your storage to go ahead and use 6 gigabytes of RAM. So that's really, really cool. I really like that they have this feature, especially on the Galaxy A53. You know, I wasn't thinking that they were going to do that because this phone is such an affordable phone right now. It's, you know, like $449. So I think it's really cool that Samsung went ahead and did that, and I'm going to be testing this out for the next few days. So definitely hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be dropping my full review on this device very, very soon. And I'm going to be giving you my experience as far as like using virtual RAM and everything else on this device. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't already. Turn on that notification bell. But I just thought I'd go ahead and show you that. That should increase the performance and the fluidity of your device, and everybody's happy at the end of the day, right? So if you guys did enjoy this video, if you guys did not know about that little tip right there, definitely go ahead and leave it in the comment section down below, and make sure to hit that like button. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.